Adding a chatbot to your Wix website can enhance user experience and provide 24/7 customer support. To get started, you need to create a Wix account and a chatbot account with a third-party provider such as ManyChat or Dialogflow. First, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix editor. Click on the Add icon on the left side of the page and select More. Search for HTML iframe and drag it to the desired location on your page. This will be the container for your chatbot. Next, go to your chatbot provider and create a new chatbot. Customize the chatbot according to your needs and get the embed code. The embed code is usually an HTML script that you need to add to your Wix website. Now, go back to your Wix editor and click on the HTML iframe you added earlier. Click on the Enter Code icon and paste the embed code from your chatbot provider. Click Apply to save the changes. To make the chatbot responsive and adjustable, add a width and height to the HTML iframe. You can also customize the appearance of the chatbot by adding CSS code. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your chatbot live on your Wix website. Test the chatbot to ensure it is working as expected. You can also track user interactions with your chatbot using analytics tools provided by your chatbot provider. By following these steps, you can easily add a chatbot to your Wix website and provide a better user experience for your visitors. Remember to customize and test your chatbot regularly to ensure it is working effectively and providing value to your users.